is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be unboxing our BoxyCharm base box, okay? And for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, it is a 3-tier beauty lifestyle type of subscription service, and it ranges in price from the base box, which is the one we're going to do today, is $25. Then we have the premium box, which is $35 per month, and then we have our creme de la creme, which is the Boxy Luxe. That is a quarterly box, and that one is $49.99. Now, the boxes contain a minimum base box of 5 full-size products. Full size, okay? It can be a plethora of brands, from indie brands to very high-end. We get skincare, lifestyle, as well as, of course, the makeup and complexion products. That's what it is. And by that I mean like foundations and concealers and things like that. The minimum value is at least $120, okay? Then when we move on to the premium box, that one also includes full-size products, and it's at least 8. And the minimum manufacturer suggested retail value on that one is $100 and I believe $75, unless it is a collaboration with a brand. Okay, I'll leave a link above so that you can see what I mean by that. And then when we get to that wonderful quarterly box, which is the Boxy Luxe, that has at least 9 products in it, all full size, and they're pretty amazing, I must say. I very seldom have I been disappointed. Okay, so let's just go ahead and jump in and see what's in the April BoxyCharm box. Now, I've had it for a couple of days. However, you know, we're supposed to allow our mail to sit for 24 hours. When we open it up, of course, it has its social media information and lets you know, as if you didn't know already, that this is definitely the BoxyCharm box. And we have, wow, our theme for this month is Festival Vibes. Now, I did get my premium box first, and I was pretty amazed when I opened it up. And even though this is a description card, this is something new on here. This one lets you know what our spoilers for upcoming boxes would be. I am looking forward to the Luxe. Okay, that's the quarterly box. And then here's the information about the pop-up shop and some of the products that are available in there. Now, the variation that I have is 31. So we're going to see the contents of 31. Then we also have a coupon and information about the makeup eraser, okay, which I'm very excited about. I do have a couple of them already. And this coupon is for 20% off on your purchase on makeuperaser.com. Okay, let's see what variation 31 has to offer. The first item that I pull out, which has been a spoiler for a minute, is the Benefit Cosmetics Professional Hydrating Primer. Okay, now they did offer this one as well as the matte primer. but I'm glad to have gotten this one. And this is this silky smooth hydrating face primer instantly moisturizes and refreshes skin, helps makeup stay put, and minimizes the look of pores and fine lines. It has the same oil-free, lightweight feel and pore minimizing power as the original. The Professional plus 12-hour hydration for normal to dry skin. And the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $32. And this is a 22 milliliter size, or 0.75 fluid ounces. This is actually a very nice size. Okay, I'm ecstatic that it is sealed because I have 3 primers open already, so not quite ready to open this one yet. Okay, but this is what the product does look like, and we have used this previously on this channel. Okay, and it says to use, apply to face and blend with fingertips, wear alone or under your makeup. Okay, I did not realize that you could wear a primer alone. Okay, and then the next item that I have, oh, you've got to be kidding me. All right, this is like the 3rd time I've gotten an iconic Illuminator. Well, that's just fine. It'll just be going in the giveaway box. And this one says, this concentrated liquid shimmer can be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply used on its own for a super highlighted glow. Every drop of this super concentrated shimmer elixir glides on smoothly to bestow an ultra blendable glow. And the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $41. Okay, then the next item that we have, nice, is the Baddington Lashes. I've gotten these before as well. And this is the Harlow 3D Silk Lashes with a mini glue. And it says, this 3D lash provides dramatic length and volume. If you're looking to make a statement, this is the lash for you. The 3D lash effect mimics the growth structure of your lashes for the ultimate in natural glamour. Includes the mini glue. Manufacturer suggested retail price $31, and this is what these lashes look like. Okay, I think, all right, I'm pretty sure this will end up in a giveaway as well. Y'all know I am not a big lash wearer yet. Okay, so moving right along, the next item, which I'm excited about, is by the company Lavish, and it's right here. And this is a 5-piece neon eye brush collection, a must-have all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you'll need to achieve an everyday or more dramatic look. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one, $29.99. Okay, and here are the brushes. This is beautiful. This one says fine liner. Okay, and then the next one is the brow groomer. We have our spoolie on this side and the brush on this side. Then we have the eye shading brush. It's very nice, and they're very soft and dense. And the next one is the pencil. And the last one finally is the tapered blending brush. Beautiful, love the colors. I think we'll be trying these out real soon. Okay, if I had not have already taken care of this face, I would have used these to check it out. Okay, so that is the next item. The last item is by Zoeva, and this is the eyeshadow palette. The Zoeva eyeshadow palette offers a range of highly pigmented and easy to blend eyeshadow shades in tempting hues for ultra glamorous makeup looks. The formulation of the eyeshadows is enriched with vitamin E, and the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $28. Okay, the packaging, slide out, and here's our actual palette. Oh, these are beautiful shades. Okay. Alright, can you see that? Those shades are beautiful, and I like it. I like it a lot. Selected with care. There are some mattes, some shimmers. Oh, these are gorgeous. I'm kind of loving this section, like right here. All right. Should we swatch? Of course we should. I'm not getting any fallout. Now, I just swatched 2 of them. Look at that. Look at that. Alright. So I do like, and this is without a primer underneath. So, and it shows up really nicely even on my skin tone. Okay. Well, how am I feeling about this box? I'm not mad at it, that's for sure. And I think right now, as we stand, my favorite product is probably, can I choose more than one? Absolutely. Well, I think as it stands right now, it will be these 3, because these are not products that I have received in a BoxyCharm box previously, plus they're new. Okay, minus the primer, but you can never have too much primer, like you can never have too many brushes, okay? Because it can always be used because you're always wearing makeup. All right, so as it stands right now, these are the ones that I like. I'm leaning towards. Now, it's not that I do not like these products, it's that I have received them already, okay? Not the first time. And even though I've already received them, that is good news for y'all, because that means these will be items that will appear in an upcoming giveaway. Okay, so these are the contents of our April Festival Vibes BoxyCharm base box, okay? And I will leave the manufacturer suggested retail price for all of the contents of our box. Now, I do thank you for choosing to spend time with me on today. I hope that I have shared information with you. Well, everything this month was pretty basic, okay? But remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.